Ever heard something that made you spill your tea, roll your eyes, or plain laugh out loud? Welcome to Say What Now TV, your place for daily content on tongue-slipping, mind-bending social issues and trending topics around the world. Be amazed, get annoyed, be entertained. Welcome to another episode of Say What Now TV. Sister Saw has drawn Spicy's tongue and now she's being dragged far from the altar as she has used biting words to describe Jamaica's top two females of dancehall. Lady Saw, preferably known as Sister Marion, was fiery in her description of the ladies' attire and other things as she decided it was her job to reprimand them. Like a mother hen, she flew up and spit words of fire and disgrace upon the ladies. A minute was not spared by Gracie aka Spice to clap back at Sister Saw. All sense of professionalism was out the door as she dragged Sister Saw to hell and back for calling her out. If the shouting and ranting by Sister Saw was an attempt to bring the ladies to Christ, it was an epic fail. One would like to believe that the act was done with good intentions, but these ladies are quite accessible via social media and other means, so a public display of so-called righteousness to bring condemnation on them openly was not taken lightly. The action resembles a crab in the barrel situation with another woman dragging down two other women in the name of a shine. Spice made a good point about women coming together and working to build something, but that was clearly not the intention of Marion. Her method of roughing up the ladies was more of a character assassination, which is puzzling given her recent past. It's that, or it could be a deliberate act to get some needed attention for a major comeback to an industry that has been calling her name ever since she left. All in all, the tearing down and rivalry between women is always an ugly sight, and the use of the gospel to spread propaganda and bring disgrace is not what Christ intended. As women, we don't need to climb on the backs of our sisters to make it in life. Check the description box for video links to the Gracie and Marion saga. Share your views in the comments below and be sure to like, share and subscribe. Also check out another episode of Say What Now TV. Do you have a burning issue that would shock or entertain our viewers? Share your scoop at saywhatnowtv10@gmail.com.